Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Hashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Hashem Wakakadash. Shalom to the elders, Wa'aki and Wa'akwaf. And the Heavenly Father's true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Ba'Hashem, in the name of Mashiach Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashwan Kadash, the Holy Tongue. And I say Shalom once again. And this is a sit-down lesson. This was earlier today with the Wall Street stock exchange over there in New York City. And this is this is a sit-down lesson of this news article that I want to bring out from investors.com from the stock market today. And it reads, the Dow Jones fall, amending Walmart's deflation warning. Microsoft up again as joint Silicon skirmishes. And this was from November 16, 2023, 4:21 p.m. Eastern Time earlier today. I'll give that for that in the background. It says the major index closed mixed Thursday. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell sharply, which is like 42 points in the negatives category. It fell today after it had a good solid winning streak so far throughout this whole week. It says the major index closed mixed Thursday. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell sharply in the morning, but paired it lost to 0.1% by the close. Earnings from Citco Systems and cautiously outlook from Walmart weight on the index. It says initial jobless claims from the week ended November the 11th came at 231,000 higher than the expected 222,000 according to the Day. The prior week number was revised to 218,000 to 217,000. The S&P 500 paired early losses and closed 0.1% higher in the stock markets today. The Nasdaq also erased losses and ended slightly higher. The volume of the NYSE and the Nasdaq was lower according to the preliminary data. The climb beat advancers by less than 2 to 1 on the NYSE and the Nasdaq. The small cap Russell 2000 suffered, however, a language at the day's low, the afternoon falling 1.5% at the closing bell. The innovator IBD 50 FFTY did slightly better with a 0.5 loss, and the ETF is back to a test of the 50-day moving average. It says crude oil took a high dive, nearly 5%, and a trade of 73.12 a barrel. Data shows that the oil inventory is abundant, fear amending a slowing global demand. The yield on the benchmark 10-year Treasury note fell 9 base points to 4.4%. The Dow Jones stock from Walmart went to 156.4, 13.74, which is 8.09%. That's the graphic data statistic shows right there. Other markets from Walmart fell today. It says the Cisco remained 11.7% lower at the close of the trading day after the company indicated slower order growth for the current quarter. The fourth quarter result came in the above estimate. Sharing was approaching 50-day line with the base ahead of earnings, but had dived and they undercut their base. It says among the down retailers, Walmart gap below the 50-day moving average in heavy volume after beating views amending slow growth with the company's full-year earning outlook missed. Analysts estimating during the conference call. CEO Doug McMillan said that the company may be managing through a period of deflation in the months to come. Microsoft, the MSFT, rose and remains in a buy zone from an entry of 366.78. The company announced Wednesday of an AI accelerated chip to support Azure and the OpenAI platform, and also introduced a general proposed Kerbot chip that uses RMAR architecture. Apple AAPL edged closer to a buying point of 198.23. Stocks moving today. Shares of Alibaba fell 9% after the company said it did not extend to spin off its closed business second quarter earnings. $2 per 16 per share beat consensus of $2.10. Share gap down below the 50-day major average. Almost China plays a net ease. NTES saw strong sales in its video game segment. The company beat earnings estimate while meeting sales view shares. Shares fell in early trade, pared back some losses at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Among cyber names, Palo Alto Network, the PANW, also fell below 50-day moving average after beating views. Billing for the current quarter disappoint. Shares at some loss but remain below the key level. Outside of the Dow Jones retail, Macy's and Gap up 5% after sales declined to 7%, while the earnings fell 60%. With the company's sales leaner, inventories helped improve the margin by 110 base points. General Electric GE broke out of a flat base 117.96, a relatively strong line in that new high in home furnish. Williams Suma WMS also broke out of a couple with handle a buyer point of 164.47. Volume was more than a double its average. Stocks to watch. Among stocks to watch, Google parent Alphabet GOOGL is nearing buying point 141.22 in a flat base after its regained 50-day moving average. The IBD leaderboard stock DR Horton, the DHI, is pulling back slightly in a cup base with a buy point of 132.30. Watch for a handle to form. It says Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway, BRKB remains above 50-day moving average. Sales has been rebounding since the company announced earnings November 4th, and its stocks in a cup base with a buy point of 373.34. And the Dow Jones Industrial Salesforce CRM in a double bottom base with a buy point 228.79. But after reading all that, we have the once again, like I mentioned before, the beginning of this sit-down lesson from the markets as of today. Earlier today, where I'm at like 2 or 3, because the time zones are kind of different from the Central Standard Time in comparisons to the Northeast over there in New York City. As we had the markets as of today, as it says again, from November the 16th, 2023 at 4:21 p.m. Eastern Time, from stock market today, from the investors.com, as the Dow Jones fall amid Walmart deflation warning. Microsoft up again as it's joined Silicom's Skirmishes. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying of the reading of this news article from investors.com. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'ashem Akarkadash. Shalom to the elders, Wa'akim, Wa'akwaf. Until next time, I will say Shalom.